boys of Barnashroya who wandered foreign. With curdled stouts we roamed about to hunt the patrolling. We searched for birds in every verse, from Lither to Dunning. Well, we sang for joy beneath the sky, life played no prince or plan. With the boys of Barnashroya who hunted foreign.
Very good.
And when the hills were bleeding and rifles were aflame, to the rebel homes of Kerry where the Saxon strangers came, and the men who dared the Oxys or fought the Black and Tans were the boys of Barnashroya who hunted foreign. And when the wheel of life runs down and peace comes over me, just to lay me down in that old town between the hills and seas, I'll find my rest in those green fields, the place where life began, with the boys